Hey guys, what's up? My name is Leo. Right now we are in 2019 and technology has been growing pretty fast. And one of the things I acknowledge, we are developing a lot of robots, and like, in my opinion, we are developing the wrong thing. Eventually, we will be replaced by them, right? That's the way I see it. That's the way I'm watching a lot of videos. The robots doing the same thing as us, right? And what is gonna happen in the future, like in a recent future, will be like a lot of people will be unemployed because of the robots. So what the big companies will do, it's basically they will replace us by the robots because they don't have to pay a robot, right? They just have to fix it if it's broken, right? So instead of developing robots, let's develop technology and develop our brains, right? If we develop our brains, this society can grow like dramatically. Like, we can grow as human beings, we can save this planet, right? So like I don't get it. I don't get this society. I blame the society, but I'm part of it, right? It's I think all of us have been brainwashed, in my opinion, by religion, by the media, by everything. Like it's small things that will make you change your mind, right? So the way I see it is it's a bunch of manipulation from the higher power. And why is that? For example, I don't think it's the government that commands the country. I think there's people with more power. And what gives you power? In my opinion, it's money, right? The more money you have, the more power you will have, right? And I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of people, not a bunch, a few people, I mean, with way more money, and I'm pretty sure they control like everything. And a lot of people talk about theories like the Illuminati and stuff like that. It might be true, you know. I didn't went too deep on that subject. Oh, the one thing that I want to talk about it, for example, gods. So gods, in my opinion, someone created God. God didn't exist before us. Some person created God. Why I say someone created God? It's because, in my opinion, a lot of people back in those days, like thousands and thousands of years before, they used to be killed. They used to do suicide themselves, right? They just, why should I live, right? They don't have any purpose. Right now, if you have like a bigger belief, right? You're gonna pray for it. You're gonna pray so much that you start believing that your stuff is gonna change, and your life is gonna get better and better and better. Right there, it's not, you're not praying for the God, you're already praying for yourself. You think you're praying for the God, but you're technically praying for yourself. And when you start changing the mentality that, hey, I hope tomorrow is gonna be better, you know, I really hope. Right there, that slight moment when you start thinking, I'm gonna have that thing that I really wanted, everything is gonna get better, please God help me, this and that. That's the call that you given. Like, I'm gonna do a prediction. For example, in the future, I'm pretty sure we will come to a year that we don't have to believe in gods, because we will be self-believers. We're gonna believe in ourselves so much that we don't need to believe in a higher power, right? We're gonna believe in ourselves. That's what I think. Pretty sure that this will happen in the future. I'm doing this prediction. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure, because like, everyone believes in God, right? Not everyone, but majority of people believe in God and religion and this and that. So like, why we keep believing in what happened in the past and all the books that they wrote and they wrote and they wrote? Like, it doesn't make no sense to me, because back in those days they used to say so many lies. Why we keep going through the same things? I'm not saying they lied on it, but it's kind of hard to believe it, right? I can make my own religion right now, right? I can write a book and did the same thing. And there's another thing, like, we all pray for gods, we all pray for religion stuff and this. Why we don't pray for nature, right? For me, that's a living God. Nature is a living God. Why we don't pray for it, right? Why? You never thought about it, right? And we don't respect it, to be honest. None of us respect it. And like, we should get all together, but it's kind of hard to get everyone together and everyone in the same mindset, because that's what the higher power don't want, because that will make them lose the power that they have. And what they have control the majority of the society, right? So I'm still reading the book. I didn't finish yet. So I'm reading this book, which is called The Law of Attraction. And they say it's the more you ask, the more you create a rocket. That rocket, it's the non-physical world. So that rocket, the more you ask, it's gonna create like they say it's a rocket. It's something that's gonna build, but non-physical. No one will see it, obviously. So the more you ask, the more you think about it, the more you feel, the more you have faith on it, the more it will become true. And the more you visualize it, even better for you. The more it will grow. So that's the thing. That's my opinion. That's why I say in the future we will live in a society that we don't have to believe in gods. We're gonna believe so much in ourselves that everyone's gonna be happy. Trust me, we can and we will. But first we need to, this is crucial, we need to develop our brains. We have to stop developing robots. I'm not saying stop to develop technology. We need technology in order to upgrade ourselves, apparently. But guys, let's try to upgrade our brain. That's why I'm doing this video, because I want to get more knowledge and spreading my message to millions and millions of people. That's my biggest point, because I want you from the other side of the world to give me your amazing knowledge that you have and your point of view, because that's how you grow, right? And the reason that I'm making this video, and I hope I post it on YouTube, because if I do, I will be very glad of it, because this is what I'm doing right now is coming out of my comfort zone, which is be on camera, speaking the way I vision my world, and the main reason about this video, it's to all the people who have open mind like me, see this world different. I want you guys to comment below, because I want to open my mind as well. I want to develop my mind. I want to upgrade my mind. The more you guys give opinions, I will relate your opinions with mine and try to see which one is the best, because I want to upgrade myself. I love to have conversation outside of this world, and like thinking and like considering, like, what if there's aliens, like what if, different kind of things. So, and if you guys like think, oh man, that's not the way you should think, like this is the way, just comment. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and please guys, please comment below. Like I mentioned, I really want to upgrade myself. If you guys comment, for sure I will make another video about your comment. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time.